Yeah, being a rookie in Supercup is very, very good as a driver because you learn so much things. You learn about how to interact with media. You get extra support in each race from a Porsche instructor. It's for this time it's Marco Siegfried, and he was a Porsche factory driver. So it's very good to always have a good guidance. This is very important as a young driver. So we're on a good way and we're getting taught by the right people. It's a big challenge because I'm the youngest one. I'm 16 years old, so you know the difference in experience I have to the other drivers is very big. So I really need to do my best effort to be there and to get to the pace. So yeah, it's something different because I'm the youngest one in the grid, but it's a good thing. I'm starting early and I have enough time to get up to pace. We managed to do P19 on the first race in Silverstone. It was our first time on the track. So yeah, I really need a bit of laps to get up to speed. But after we finish the race, I'm sure that next week we can do a much better job because I'll already know the track and have much more confidence, so we can do a good job. Good, I really like the track, the place. Since I got to the country, everyone has welcomed me very good. And yeah, the race was good. The track, I really liked it. Very fast track, very iconic track. Silverstone is Silverstone and it will always be one of the best tracks of the world. So yeah, very fortunate to be racing in these tracks and especially in Supercup. Yeah, the time limitations in Supercup is a big, not problem, but it's one of the big points. So yeah, as a driver, when you don't know the track and you have to learn it in free practice, it's not that easy. But there are some tracks that I already know, for example, Spa-Francorchamps and Barcelona. I've tested there, so we can look forward to having a very good result there. Good, about 4 months that I haven't been in a kart, so yeah, the first laps were a bit hard on the physics side. So yeah, it's good to be back, especially on this track, Whilton Mill. Very nice track, very good drivers. So it's always good to get a bit of practice and get back to karts once in a while. So yes, very nice.